Protective Diet's Instant Pot Plant-Based Cream of Chicken Soup. This creamy, health-promoting, hug-in-a-bowl soup was based on Campbell's original. My original recipe, titled Cream of Chick-In, was designed for the stovetop. Since then, I have incorporated the Instant Pot to cut canned beans from my pantry to improve organic ingredient quality. This cost-cutting recipe deserves everyone's attention to improve cooking flow in their workplace for wellness and cardiovascular flow in their body. Served here with the sauerkraut melt coming up after we complete the sauerkraut master class, part of Protective Diet Education 2025.